Hazrat Ada bin Khalid narrates that the Prophet ﷺ wrote for me, Muhammad, Allah's Apostle ﷺ, has purchased something from Ada bin Khalid. It is similar to a business transaction carried out by a Muslim with a Muslim wherein there is no fault, sin or deceit. Qatada narrates Al-Ghaila means adultery, theft and escape. It was said to Ibrahim Nakhai, some agents say such and such thing has been imported from Khurasan and Sijistan, and say this thing was imported from Khurasan just yesterday. This thing has been imported from Sijistan just today. So he extremely disliked it. And Hazrat Uqaba bin Amir said, it is not lawful for anyone to sell his defective goods until he points out its defect. Hazrat Abdullah bin Haris radiyallahu anhu has reported from Hazrat Hakim bin Hizam that Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, both parties in a business transaction have the option to annul it, as long as they do not get separated, provided they speak the truth and make everything clear. So their business transaction is blessed. But if they conceal the defect, tell a lie, the blessing connected to their transaction is blotted out. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2079.